Multiplication skip counting on a number line. Meet Granny Sue.
Well, hello, friends.
Hi, Granny Sue. Granny Sue is knitting 3 sweaters for her grandchildren. She uses 5 feet of yarn to make each sweater. How many feet of yarn does Granny Sue need in all? Well, we're going to use a special tool called a number line. This number line is drawn from 0, counting by ones, all the way to 31. Remember, she uses 5 feet of yarn for each sweater, so we're going to skip count by 5. She uses 3. She's going to make a total of 3 sweaters, and that is why we skip count 3 times or have 3 jumps. Also notice that we landed on the number 15. Keep those numbers in mind. You're going to need them for this. So, I completed a total of 3 jumps while skip counting by 5 and landed on the final number of 15. That's the same as 3 jumps of 5. So my multiplication equation would be 3 times 5 equals 15.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Granny Sue. Let's try this one. Meet Leanne and her sister. Leanne and her sister are baking cupcakes to share with Leanne's classmates for a birthday celebration. They are placing 9 cupcakes on each of 2 trays. How many cupcakes will they bake in all? Again, we're using the same number line from 0 to 31. There are 9 that are going to be placed on each tray, so we're skip counting by 9 2 times because there are 2 trays or 2 groups. 1, 2. Notice that we landed on the number 18. Keep those numbers in mind. So, how many jumps did I make? Very good. You can see that I made 2 total jumps. Next question, how long is each jump? Exactly, each jump is 9. I'm skip counting by 9. And what number did I finally land on? You've got it, it's the number 18. You're doing a great job. Let's keep going. So our multiplication equation is 2 times 9 equals 18. Now we're going to skip count by drawing jumps on the number line. We're going to find how many in 4 jumps of 5. Then we're going to write the product or the answer. So here's our number line again, and we're skip counting by 5, making a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. How many jumps did we make? Very good. 4 jumps. And how long is each jump? That's right, 5. And what number did I finally land on? You've got it, the number 20. So our multiplication equation will be 4 times 5 equals 20. You're doing great. Let's keep going. So again, we're going to skip count by drawing jumps on the number line. We're going to find how many in 3 jumps of 8. Then write the product on the answer. Here's our number line again, 3 jumps of 8. 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps. How many jumps did I make? That's right, 3 jumps. Next question, how long is each jump? I'm skip counting by 8. Exactly, you've got it. Last question, what number did I finally land on? The number 24. Exactly. And my multiplication equation is 3 times 8 equals 24. Now, we're going to skip count. We're doing it a little different now. We're going to skip count by drawing jumps on the number line. And we're going to find how many jumps in 7, how many are in 7 jumps of 3. Then we're going to write the product. Remember, 7 jumps of 3 means I'm skip counting by 3. So here's 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, 4 jumps, 5 jumps, 6 jumps, 7 jumps. How many jumps did I make? That's right, 7 jumps. And how long is each jump? That's right, 3, because I'm skip counting by 3. What number did I finally land on? Can you see it on the number line? That's right, it's 21. So my multiplication equation is 7 times 3 equals 21. Let's flip it a little bit. We're going to write the multiplication equation that the number line shows. So here's your number line. Here are your jumps. Question is, how many jumps did I make? Count the jumps. Very good, 6 total jumps. And how long is each jump? What am I skip counting by? 5, exactly, very good. And what number did I finally land on? 30, yes. My multiplication equation is 6 times 5 equals 30. Again, we're going to write the multiplication equation that the number line is showing, or the number line shows. Here's your number line. Check out the jumps. How many jumps did I make? Very good, I made 2 jumps. And how long is each jump? Or what am I skip counting by? 9, very good. And what number did I finally land on? Can you see it? It's 18. Excellent job. So my multiplication equation is 2 times 9 equals 18. Fantastic job. So, Granny Sue, did you understand what to do?
Let's see if Granny Sue gets it. To make multiplication equation, I first have to think about how many groups and how many are in each group.
That's right, Granny Sue. Very good.
Then I can use a number line to skip count by how many in each group. The amount of jumps I make will be the same as the amount of jumps the groups I have, right?
That's right, Granny Sue. You're doing good.
Okay, the answer I get will be the final number I land on.
You've got it, Granny Sue. That's right.
Got it. Thank you so much for helping me out with multiplication today, friends.
You're welcome, Granny Sue. Anytime. And thank you, my friends, for joining me. And on this lesson, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.